Alright, what's up guys? Good morning, good morning. As you can see, the cars are all turned on. They're warming up. Brian's obnoxiously driving inside the apartment complex. And we're gonna go ahead and head to the local S550 meet. And then we're actually gonna do finally gonna go do some canyon driving. So, gonna make a video, basically just showing you guys the car meet. We're gonna drive up to Fredericksburg from San Antonio, Texas, which is pretty cool, twisty, hilly little drive, so yeah. At the San Antonio S550 meet. Pretty decent turnout. There's some pretty cool cars, Shelby's, GT350s, and of course they're all S550s. They're having like a dyno day, they're having some food and stuff. But yeah, good friend Brian, he actually wants to cancel the plans. He doesn't want to go to Fredericksburg. I don't know why, but we're gonna force him to go because that was the plan all along. He's been complaining and telling us and nagging us for the last 3 weeks that he wants to go canyon driving. So we are definitely gonna go canyon driving today. So yeah, that's the plan, and hopefully we get some nice rollers of all the cars and keep you updated. Alan,
yeah,
what did you get for your car?
Oh, twin turbos.
Twin turbos? What brand?
Helion.
Helion?
Or is it Helion or Helion?
No, Helion. Okay, yeah, that's. You excited?
I'll do it. So excited, bro.
All right, supporting mods. You're getting?
What is it? Fuel injectors.
Okay.
Help me out here, Brian.
Hole in the side of the block.
Hole in the side of the block.
Okay.
Then we're putting a 4.8 truck motor in it.
Stroking it.
And we're trading it into Carfax.
All right, now in all seriousness, he's gonna go ahead and get the injectors, probably like a dual pump fuel system
Sleek
or just
Dual pump,
motor,
yeah.
Sleek
Dual-
Predator motor.
Well, OPGs.
oil pump gears.
And then was it the other one, the crankshaft?
Yeah, the crankshaft sprocket.
That's a
sprocket.
crankshaft.
Okay.
Crank gear sprocket.
All right, Alan.
One take.
Yeah, one take.
One take.
All right, Alan. So your car's currently over there. It's that white one.
This isn't mine.
Yeah, this isn't his, but we're gonna use it as background. So what did you get for your car?
So I got a Helion twin turbo sleeper kit with the twin 62s. Currently waiting on it still. They did say they made an update on June 15th, but it still doesn't say like when it's gonna actually ship.
Okay.
I bought it probably about like 3 weeks ago now.
Yeah.
4 weeks ago now. And then along with that, with the supporting mods with the help of AldoShifts.
All right.
Brian,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
still kind of new to this stuff.
So for supporting mods, Alan, he's gonna go ahead and get the ID 1050s.
ID1050s.
A dual pump fuel system,
Dual pump.
oil pump gears, and the crank sprocket.
Yep.
And the kit should come with basically everything else, right?
Yeah, because it comes with the 4-to-1 headers that, well, I mean, kind of, I guess, you
Insulation
have to
kit.
get it. Yeah. With that, it was technically an add-on, but you kind of need it anyways. And then also the welds.
Oh yeah, so welds. I'm not gonna say which ones.
Yeah.
I think I have a video of it. If I do have it, then I'll throw up a video of it here a little bit after or at the end of the video. But car's gonna look sick. It's gonna be hooking. It's gonna be booking. And welcome to the twin turbo Mustang owners. So that's gonna be 1 twin turbo Mustang owner, 2 twin turbo Mustang owners, 3 twin turbo Mustang owners, and hopefully these youngins are learning. And hopefully they work hard so they can go ahead and get EcoBoost and EcoBoost. Yeah.
Well, I think we need to get him.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere,
He's
right?
probably
Yeah.
like a Chevy Impala, Malibu, or something.
Yeah.
Chevy Vega.
Chevy Vega. Nah, that's a little still.
A single cab cat eye or something maybe.
With a little rust on the fender.
So we're canyon driving, currently stopped. at one of the landmarks that we usually stop at whenever we are driving through here. We're headed towards Dripping Springs. We have the Eruption Green 2023 with the Mach 1 wheels. So it's 275s in the rear, 255s up front. We have Andrea's car, which is I'm currently driving, which is the PP1. And then we have Alan's Mustang Premium as well, 2020, I believe. So yeah, all Gen 3s, all 10 speeds, all 5.0s. So they drive pretty much the same. The performance pack does have a slight advantage whenever it comes to curvy roads because of the beefier sway bars and just the beefed up suspension overall. But everyone's driving's pretty good and we're enjoying ourselves. So right now we'll take you along through a little cruise and we'll show you kind of like the road scene. All right, and we made it to Trailhead Barbecue, or actually no, Railroad Barbecue. So the cars are all here. We're gonna go get some food. We haven't eaten much for most of the day. There's Ricky. He's the Camaro owner, and his Camaro is at the dealership with the check engine light. That's gonna be a separate video for a different occasion. But as you can see, all the cars are here. They're performing great. And yeah, we're about to get some food. Cylinder head temp 212 over.